Congratulations and God bless you po sa inyong dalawa. Excited na sila. Wala pa akong sinasabi. Oo, dadating tayo, hahalikan mo ang bride mo. Kaya nang nire-reserve natin yan eh. Okay? Parang ito lang ata hinihintay ni Lloyd. Okay, sabi niya sa akin, mahihain ako, Pastora, Tagalog na lang. Okay, Lloyd, take your time and of course, paghalik mo, kailangan hold mga a couple of seconds, ha? Hold lang. Parental guidance po sa mga parents, baka gayahin ng inyong mga anak, ha? Okay. Lloyd, Lawrence, you may now kiss the bride. Ay, nagmamadali pa naman. Hey, mabuhay po and congratulations to the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence. Isa pa daw. O, samantalahin mo na ba?
And talakpan naman natin ulit na congratulate once again the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Laure. And of course, we would like to say thank you for Reverend Pastor Reynaldo Abrigo for leading the ceremony. So this time, before we proceed for our program, we will be having mealtime